Ay, ma'am, good deal to. 219 lang.
No.
This is Chanel from Sorsogon.
Pa.
That's the thing.
New day, new bag. We have here Miss. What's your
Casey.
name, ma'am? Hi, Miss Casey. You're from?
Actually, I'm from the Philippines, but I'm located in Canada na po as a nurse.
Oh, you're a nurse.
Yes, po. I'm just waiting for my permanent residency. Hopefully this year po.
Pero originally, ma'am, taga saan ka here in Philippines?
In Tarlac City po.
Tarlac.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, tama, you're looking for a medium coco handle.
Yeah.
Pero originally, hindi yun yung hinahandle.
No, actually, ang gusto ko sana is the oblique saddle viewer. Unfortunately, it was not available already.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayun
Mabilis
nga.
masold yung iba.
Ayun
So,
nga.
sakto, ma'am. We have 4 medium coco handles. So, pasok. So, by the way, ma'am, this is Chanel, newest member of our team. So, ito, this is all black, pati yung handle niya. And this is 315,000 pesos. This is lizard handle embossed. This is 275,000 pesos, pristine condition. And meron pa kaming pink. Tapos, meron din tayong blue. Ay, ma'am, good deal to. 219 lang for ano,
Kaya
coco
kasi
handle.
blue.
Pero 219 lang.
Yeah.
That's the deal, ma'am. 219
I know,
lang.
yeah.
275,000. This is baby pink. Ang ganda rin ito, ma'am.
That's the thing. Actually, yan yung
Very
pinagpipilian ko. They discussed to me that this is a crocodile. Is it crocodile?
Lizard.
Oh,
embossed.
lizard, sorry.
Embossed lang siya, mama. Hindi siya real lizard
okay,
handle.
okay.
Kasi in-stop na ni Chanel yung paggawa ng exotic leather. Yung last
Okay.
production nila, I believe, was 2019 pa, ma'am. Ito, embossed na lang siya.
Okay.
So, anong mas gusto mo, ma'am?
Ito po.
Yes, ma'am. Better choice yung black. Mas
Yes.
madaling bagayan.
At saka, minsan kasi napapatong mo sa madumi. Ito dapat very careful ka.
Need to ng extra care.
Yeah.
Pero ito, very feminine.
Yan na.
Diba? Ang
Gusto ko
cute
nga.
nung
Oo.
pagka-pink.
Actually, yan yung gusto kong una. Tapos, inano nga nila sa akin, did they discuss it that it needs to be na may extra care
Extra
po.
care. So, better, ma'am, itry mo muna sila. When worn mo, labas natin yung strap.
Yung strap. Actually, it's cute ako. Diba?
Ganda talaga nung pink, ma'am.
It is actually,
Very girly. Parang bagay sa, mo, personality.
that's the thing.
But, syempre,
Ito
mas
pa
gusto mo
din
yung
yan.
black,
Black.
easy to maintain,
Yeah.
easy to pair,
I know, it's
easy to match
easy
sa
to
outfit.
match up.
Tapos, ma'am, sabi nila sa akin, nagustuhan mo rin daw tong Chanel Kelly din.
Yeah, but wala siyang strap. Ano yun?
Pero mamang good deal nito, ha?
That's the
First time namin magkaroon ng stocks na ganito. And this is the original Chanel Kelly design. Tapos, ito 24 karat gold, plated pa siya, ma'am. Kasi yung bagong Chanel Kelly, nang yung ganito ng
Actually,
size
kung
na,
meron mang ano to, ganyan na yung ano. Hindi para sa akin yung gano'n.
ito yung
Maliit
original
masyado.
design nila na Chanel Kelly.
Actually, okay naman sana to. Kung may slim.
Wala talaga
Yun nga
eh.
eh.
Pero for the price, ma'am, 155K.
Sige, pag-isipin ko, I have still 2 weeks to go.
Gusto mo, ma'am, pansin ko yung may mga top handle talaga, no?
Oo.
Yun talaga yung gusto niyo, ma'am. Kaso ito, kung may strap to, ito sana.
Yes.
Ito yung vintage Chanel Kelly. Tapos ito yung new version ng Chanel Kelly. Ito, dandil na kami kay ma'am dito sa medium coco handle, black lizard embossed na handle. Worth 275,000 pesos. Nakasale na pala to, ma'am.
Oh, I
Good
see.
price na rin siya. And yung condition niya is pristine condition. Inclusion niya is full set. Wala lang siyang storage seat. Tsaka paper bag. Pero almost complete naman, ma'am. Meron naman siyang entropy certificate of authenticity. Tsaka authenticated na rin to in-house manually. Guaranteed 100% authentic. Money back.
Trusted po. Trusted
Yes,
to.
and money back guarantee ka. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome po.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bakit nga ba Chanel yung name mo?
So I've been using po the name Chanel since 2023 because po I am so inspired and I really love Miss Jenny Kim from Blackpink. And we all know that Miss Jenny Kim is the ambassadress of brand Chanel po. When we say Chanel po kasi parang very classy, very feminine, and very expensive. Ganun po. So yun po.
Pak. Yun na lang.
This is Chanel from Sorsogon.
Wow.
This is Chanel from Sorsogon.
And this is Miss J-Ann from Makati. And I thank you. Thank you. Kailangan na-cover yung ano. Cut na.